You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, I know it's a little bit confusing, correctly in English, in British English and American English. British English pronunciation: calorimeter. Ka-la-ri-mi-ta. Stress on the re syllable, the third syllable. Calorimeter. American English pronunciation is a little bit different, pronounced as calorimeter. Calorimeter. Calorimeter, American English, US pronunciation, or how to pronounce calorimeter. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.